Sup guys, welcome to this continuous tutorial with the concept called cross-site request forgery. And as you can see, I've done some editing on my page, and I now have a delete link right here. And as you can see here in the bottom, it just uses a get variable called delete that has the ID of the post to be deleted. So if we take a look at the index page right here, I check if that variable is set, and if it's set, I call a function called delete post that takes two parameters. And at this point, only the first one is important. So if we have a look at how that function works, it takes an ID, and you can ignore this for now. And yeah, basically deletes where it equals that ID. And if we try it out, we delete it, and it's deleted. So that's basically how it works. And what we want to do now is that we want to use this URL right here, as you can see in the bottom here, to send that to any logged in user. So because they're authenticated, so we want to send this link to an authenticated user and have them delete the post, even though they're not aware of them deleting it. So in order to do this, we're going to use a Gmail email provider. I'm using Gmail, and this email right here, just created this for the purpose of this video, so don't bother to send any emails with it, because I won't be using it anymore afterwards. So in order to send HTML in emails, you have to make a bit of a hacky thing. If you're using Gmail, you can just follow along, and if you're using any other email provider, you have to check up the specifics of that provider. And I'll post a link on how to do this in the description from another YouTube tutorial. So you right click right here, and then you take inspect element, and then you get HTML right here, and then you can right click it and then take edit as HTML. So at this point we can post HTML right here in it. So what I want to do is I want to like this, and then edit as HTML. I want to post an image tag like this, image, and then the source of a link with the get variable delete with the post I want to delete. So in my example, it'll be 76. So I'll just put 76 right there. And if you would just post it like this, it will still work, but the thing is, you will see, since there is no image at this location, there will be like a little image not found icon right here. So you can put an alt tag that is empty, so it doesn't show anything at all. So this should be fine, and you may have to edit this URL to something that fits your URL, of course. And when you're done, just click it, and then you send it to the email. I'm just sending it to my own email. So what's going to happen right now is that when I open the email, it's going to go get that URL for the image, and it's going to delete the post 76 like this. And as you can see, nothing is showing, no image or anything. When I go to the email, go to the web page, it should be deleted, and it is. So how do you protect yourself against this then? I'm going to split the protection part of it into a separate tutorial. So yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.